Hey guys, so a lot of people were asking me how to get Tinder Gold for free, so I found a website where you can actually get it for free. It's called ogsnags.com. You can actually get like a Tinder Gold promo code, and what you can do is you can go on Tinder, right? You can put this code in, and then it'll give you like 12 months for free, right? So on the site, go to the top and type Tinder, and you can see right here it says Tinder Gold promo code, $100. So it's worth $100. So just press show coupon code. You can see right now 51 people on the website. So I'm gonna press on show coupon code and wait for it to load. So once it loads, guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and press get full code, and it's gonna bring me over here. So this is the last step. So in order to get the code, right, they make you do this verification. It's really easy. You just gotta download 2 of these apps and follow the instructions. They're all completely free from the official app store, right? So you can see like Merge Garden says reach level 9. It's mostly these like games, right? So like Travel Town says reach level 9. So just press continue. Takes me to the app store. I download it. I reach level 9. I'm good to go, right? Then there's like Merge Gardens, all these different games and shit. It's pretty easy. But guys, a lot of people don't realize this. You only have to download 2 of these, and then you get your Tinder Gold code. So I'm not going to do it in the video because I don't got the time. But yeah, like reaching level 9, it might take like an hour, but that's not that bad. Like you get free Tinder Gold for like a whole year. So like, who's complaining, right? So yeah, just do 2 of the apps. You're good to go. I'll see you later. But yeah, be sure to try it out. If you guys want to get free Tinder Gold, yeah, OG Snags, that's the website, guys, where you can do this. It's super cool. And this totally works, by the way. I've tried it like 12 times. Obviously, I'm a bit below radar now because I don't want to get banned or anything, but try it out, guys. ogsnags.com, free Tinder Gold, 2025 method, by the way, so it's working right away. So yeah, definitely tell your friends about it if they use Tinder, because a lot of people they don't want to pay for Tinder Gold, but like if you can get it for free, like it's a win-win. So yeah, try it out, guys, right away.